Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to talk to you about using cayenne pepper to repel squirrels, rabbits, and deer. Many of us try to attract wildlife into our yards, and while it's great to watch a rabbit or two hop through your backyard, it isn't so great when they're nibbling on your garden vegetables and flowers, or making your dog bark for hours on end. Or you suddenly find yourself infested with fleas and don't even have a pet. There are so many reasons why we don't want wildlife in our backyards, but we need to get rid of them humanely. Cayenne pepper is a natural, eco-friendly way of getting rid of some of the wildlife you may find, and it's so simple and easy you can mix it up yourself. All you need is some ground cayenne pepper, dishwashing soap such as Dawn, water, and a spray bottle. You can mix it up in a gallon bucket. If you prefer, keep it sealed for about a week or mix it in your spray bottle for easy cleanup. To make, fill your spray bottle with water, then add a few tablespoons of cayenne pepper and let it sit for a day or so. Cayenne pepper is hydrophobic, which means it does not dissolve like sugar or salt. So you'll want cayenne to flavor the water, but you'll still see the pepper on the bottom, so you can strain it once the water has steeped. If you're running low on time, you can put the water and cayenne on the stove and simmer for a few minutes and let it sit overnight. Once you have your cayenne and water mixture, add a few drops of Dawn dishwashing soap and you're ready to spray. Here are a few quick tips. 1. You can use fresh cayenne peppers, but you will need to boil them in water and let them sit overnight. Then strain the liquid into your spray bottle. 2. You can also substitute ground or fresh cayenne peppers with a hot sauce. Just add a few tablespoons to your water. Red pepper flakes and even hot paprika are a good substitutes as well. Whether you've used ground or fresh cayenne or a substitution, when your mixture is complete, spray it on any plants that you found wildlife nibbling. Make sure to reapply after heavy rains. If you're asking how cayenne works to repel animals such as rabbits, squirrels, and deer, it's the taste. While we love the peppery taste of the hot flavor, wildlife does not. Once they take a taste of the sprayed leaves, they won't take another. If you don't wish to use the spray, you can plant some peppers in your garden and around where you've seen wildlife. The smell alone will repel them. Using cayenne won't only get rid of squirrels, rabbits, and deer, but it will also repel spiders, mice, along with insects like mosquitoes, bees, flies, and even wasps. Using cayenne pepper in your garden is a great and environmentally friendly way to repel squirrels, rabbits, and deer from your yard. Let them go to someone else's home so you can enjoy your backyard and your garden. If you'd like any other ideas on getting rid of wildlife, please click our link below and visit our website and videos. We've also included links to the mentioned products.